Hi all, welcome to today's video. In this video we will set up the environment that is required for deployment of a deep learning project in Ubuntu instance. Login is successful. Let me go to EC2. I have got two instances now. In previous video we have created this Ubuntu instance. I had stopped the instance. Let me start the instance. It takes few seconds to start. We can see the instance state is pending. Let me refresh. We can see the public IP has changed. So every time we start or stop or we reboot the instances, this public IP gets changed every time. So if we want a static IP, we have to opt for the option elastic IP. Elastic IP, we have to pay some additional cost. So for testing purpose, we are using the free tier option. So free tier option has limited resources. So here we can see my instance is running. Let me connect to the instance. I'll connect via SSH. Let me access this instance from Windows. Let me open Commander to access. Let me navigate to downloads folder where I have the login key. Let me go inside users, user. Let me go inside downloads. Here I have the key that is required for login. I'll go to I have applied the appropriate permissions in previous video, so I'll directly log in using the command. We have successfully logged into the machine, Ubuntu instance. First thing I'll do is I'll update the package. Takes few minutes or seconds based on your internet connection. Let me upgrade the system. Takes some time. Successfully upgraded. Next up, let me check up whether Python is available. Python 3.6 is available, so let me exit. Next, let me check whether I have got required packages. I don't have required packages. Let me check TensorFlow. So required packages are not available, so let me install them. Before installing them, let me check whether pip is installed. Pip is not available. Let me install pip. I've been using commands Python 3 or pip 3, so let me generalize the command such that if I type Python or pip without the suffix of 3, the command should work the same. So I'll do that using let me update the bash rc. So I'll go to end of the file and say if Python and Python 3 are the same and pip and pip 3 are the same, I'll do Ctrl S for save and Ctrl X for exit. I'll clear the screen and check whether it is working fine. Pip, it's not working as we are expected. Let me check pip 3. Pip 3 is working fine. Thing is, for changes to be applied, we have to log out and log into the instance. So I'll exit. I have logged out now. So let me log in again using the command. We have successfully logged in now. So let me check the command now. We can see now pip is working fine. So let me check the pip version now. We have pip 9.0, so that's an older version. So let's upgrade the pip now. So pip is upgraded to 21.3. So let me check the pip version. So pip, there is an issue, so we have to again log out and log in to apply the changes. So let me exit, log out. So let me log in again. Let me check the pip version. Yes, we have got the updated versions of pip. So let me install Flask package now. It's installed. So let me install a wrapper package, keytrain. Meanwhile, I'll download WinSap software for transferring files from Windows to Ubuntu machine. Let me check what's the status. Packages have successfully installed. So I'll install WinSap now for transferring files between Windows and Ubuntu machine. I'll not install softwares in C drive. I have custom folders to install softwares. Next, pretty to path commander. Okay, let's install. Launch WinSap. Yes, WinSap is launched. Let me connect WinSap to the Ubuntu instance. So I'll copy the IP address. IP address can be copied from here easily. IP address copied. Port is 22. Username, let me find the username. Username is Ubuntu, and password, let me go to advanced authentication. Let me provide the private key. It's available in downloads for me. Let me change to private files. This is the private key. Okay, let's get connected. Let me log in. Cool, I have successfully logged into the Ubuntu instance. Home and Ubuntu, yeah. Let me browse to the deep learning project. I am in C drive now. Let's change the drive. I have got VS Code, deep learning, and the project is sentiment classifier. Can I create a new directory over here? It is sentiment classifier. Okay. Yeah, directory is created. Let me transfer the files to the new directory. Let us wait until the copy is complete. Until then, let me browse to the directory where the project is being copied. Currently, I am in Ubuntu. Let me list the files. We have the directory created. Let me go in. Let's see. Once the files are copied, we will get the entire project in our Ubuntu instance. We have successfully copied the sentiment classifier project which was present in Windows. We have copied the project to the right hand side, that is in the Ubuntu instance. That's it for this video. Next video we will start this application and we shall access this sentiment classifier project from outside the Ubuntu instance. Thank you for watching.